Assalamu alaikum dear students. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm your teacher Miss Sumaira Rahil in this learning program with the subject of Social Studies Junior 3 in the month of April. Dear students, so here we all know very well that you need your course textbook, that is New Oxford Social Studies for Pakistan Junior 3. So, this textbook provides us organized units that gives all the lessons we need to cover in detail. My dear students, as you know that we have already discussed our this chapter early people in our previous video, and the half of the remaining chapter we will discuss in this video. That is our unit number 6, history and rights, lesson number 13, and this chapter is from page number 77 to 83. My dear students, these are the objectives of our chapter early people. So at the end of this chapter, you all will be able to describe the importance of studying the history of civilizations, what archaeologists and anthropologists tell us about the past, life of early humans, their art and inventions, recognize how early people discovered fire and how it changes their life, know about how tools were discovered and used by early people, and explain the importance of wheels. Dear students, here our topic is the tools. So as we all know that we have learned in our chapter in our previous video that early people or cavemen use their hands and fingers to do most jobs. They do their work by their hands and fingers because there were no tools, and then they discovered that it was easier to break or crush something with a heavy stone. It was easier to open or split something with a sharp stone. So these stones became the first tool. The first tool was the stone. With time, people learned to make better tools. Some early tools that human beings invented were a club, a bow, an arrow, a spear, and a stone axe, and a rope. So all these tools are in your page number 79 and also in this slide. So rope was made by knotting together creepers and grasses. They caught fish in the streams by spearing them with pointed sticks. So students, people learned how to grow food, then also learned how to make pots out of clay and bake them in a fire so that they could hold water and food. Dear students, here our topic is the wheel. When the human beings first began to plant crops, they had to clear the land because on that time we heard that there were only big stones or mountains on the land. So they began to move big stones with a lever. So students, a lever is a strong rod or a bar that is used to move a load. So this lever is also shown in the picture in page number 80 by using force at the other end opposite to the load. Some stones were too big to move easily with the help of lever or a strong bar. So the early people discovered that when the stone was pushed onto a few slim logs of wood, it could be moved easily. So this gave the early people the idea of a wheel, and they invented wheel. And then they invented an axle as well. So student, axle is a rod or spindle, either fixed or rotating, passing through the center of a wheel. So these two inventions changed human life completely, and the wheel was the remarkable tool produced by early humans as it helped move heavy objects more smoothly and with less effort. When wheels were put on the two sides of an axle of an animal drawn cart, this was hitched to an animal. The cart could move faster. So students, today it is difficult to imagine the world without wheel. They are used in many machines in different ways and in vehicles. My dear students, here we are going to discuss our topic that is about the early histories period or ages, and there is a table given here, and that is on your book, page number 81. So students, early history is divided into different periods or ages. These periods are named after the materials used for making tools and weapons. So students, the first column is are the names of the ages, that are the Stone Age, and metallic age, that are the bronze, iron and copper, and the modern age or period. So students, the number in the right hand column is, there are lots of numbers like 20,000, 3 lakh, 8,000 and 10,000 and so on. So the number in the right hand column, this is the approximate number of years each period or age lasted. Okay, so Stone Age lasted for the longest time. The duration of various ages decreased with progress. So students, as you know that in modern times the speed of development is much faster. So there are different types of shelters, clothes, source of foods and tools and inventions shown in each age in this table, that is on your page number 81 and also in this slide. So students, what difference do you notice that there are lots of houses, cave, early people, they are hunting, weapons and the fire and stone houses. So what difference do you notice? Okay, so I am going to tell you about this table, that early humans were nomads. Students, nomads means people who move from one place to another, from place to place, or people without fixed habitation are the nomads. So early humans were nomads. They took shelter in caves and moved from one place to another in small groups in search of food and shelter, and lived by hunting. As we know that cavemen they hunt animals for their food. The next stage were the metallic age, and metallic ages are, that is shown in your book, page number 81's table, that metallic ages were the bronze, iron and copper. The pictures shown a more settled life with agriculture, pottery and stone houses. In the Iron Age, humans made use of the wheel to move around in their surroundings, and they used animal-drawn carts, farming tools and weapons. So as we all already know about these things, that the early age, Stone Age, people lived in the caves and they hunt animals, and then they invent fire, they invent wheel, they invent axles and like more things. So as we already discussed about these things, students. So have you observed how much advancement there has been from the first picture of the caveman to the last picture of the computer in the present time? So students, the lastest age is a modern age. As we all know that, then in this page, in this table, the last picture has a computer. So the lastest age is a modern age and the technology period. So students, you know that in all ages humans have shown appreciation of art by expressing themselves through drawing, cave painting and in simple but beautiful handicrafts. So this is all about this table. I hope you understand. My dear students, this is your home assignment. So here I am going to give you these 4 questions that are in your book, page number 81. So the questions are mentioned here. You will do these questions in your copy. My dear students, there are 4 questions that I have already mentioned in your home assignment, that this is your home assignment, your homework, and you will do in your copy, and this is also in your page number 81 in your books. So students, we will discuss these questions answers and you will write it in your copy by your own words. And so number 1 question is, how did early people first make fire? As we all know that Early people made fire by rubbing two sticks or striking two stones together until the heat created a spark which became a flame. So, our second question is, what tools helped early people to move heavy loads? And that the logs of wood and a lever were used by early people to make heavy loads, as we already discussed this in our topic in this video. And our next third question is, in what ways do we use wheels today? So students, this is a very easy answer that you will write by your own, that in today's in what ways do we use wheels? We use wheels in bicycles, motorcycles, cars, trucks, buses, aircrafts, and so many different kinds of machines. And if you remember that we have already discussed in our transporting chapter that there are so many vehicles that have wheels. And number 4 question is, what were the different ages that early humans lived through? So as you know that we have discussed in this video different kinds of ages or periods, that there are different ages. So there are 4 ages that are discussed in our book, that are the Stone Age, the Bronze Age, the Copper Age, and the Iron Age. So students, we have discussed the question and their answers, so you will write in your copy in your words. Okay, my dear students, thank you so much. In this pandemic time, stay at your homes, safe, happy and healthy. Take care. Allah Hafiz.